The number one team here for Yannick Ngakoue trade destinations, it's the Miami Dolphins. And, hey, Dolphins have the best combo of picks and cap space, so I actually love that they're number one.
What have I said repeatedly in this video so far? In terms of the potential reasons why a team wouldn't trade for Yannick. The money involved paying somebody and the draft pick involved. Well, the Dolphins tried to get Clowney.
Yes.
Multiple times they tried to get him, and Clowney,
last year.
And this year too, in free agency. Clowney didn't want to go there. Now, they ended up paying Shaq Lawson, Kyle Van Noy, and Emmanuel Ogbah. And Van Noy, I know, Van Noy plays some linebacker. I'm trying to show 4-3 look here. Van Noy will play some linebacker. Vince Big will rush. Dolphins fans, I know, don't worry. But Miami has the draft capital to pull this off, and they have the cap space available too. And now, yeah, you probably move on from Ogbah after a year. Oh, no. You still have Shaq Lawson. You have Kyle Van Noy. Miami, I love the way they are investing in this defense.
Absolutely.
They've invested at the cornerback spot. You took Raekwon Davis in round 2. You have Christian Wilkins. Van Noy can play that linebacker edge hybrid. All of a sudden, if you add Yannick, that's the pass rush you need. Right now, the Dolphins have a lot of guys that can get you 6 sacks a season.
Yep.
They don't have a double-digit sack machine unless Lawson or Van Noy explode beyond what they did last year. Yannick is that guy. He comes in, boom, there you go.
I'm also, if I'm the Dolphins, I kind of smell some blood in the water, right? There's no more Tom Brady in this division. You got an unproven Josh Allen. You got a banged-up Cam Newton and, well, the New York Jets. So, hey, if you feel like you can build the defense, go out and win a title in this division, I say you do it. So here's Tom's trade.
You're cheap a quarterback, too.
Yeah, absolutely. So here's Tom's trade idea. The Jags, they receive a 2021 first-round pick. Of note, it's the later pick of Miami and Houston.
So probably going to be top 25.
Probably.
Jags get what they want.
Yep.
Dolphins get the premier passers they've been trying to search for and are hoping Lawson and Ogbah and Van Noy kind of congeal into.
So who says no? Type A for the Jags or type B for the Dolphins.